Hello cuties, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and so am I. So in today's class, we will learn about different type of colors, There are many colors in this world, but I will tell you some colors today, okay? So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Weather Cap and let's start the today's class. Okay, so we will learn all these colors today, okay? So let's get started. First one is brown. See, this is called brown color. Have you seen a tree? So tree की जो barks होती हैं, trunks होते हैं, that is in brown in color. And do you eat chocolates? Chocolates are also in brown in color, okay? Next is red. This is red color. Red is an apple. Yes, do you eat an apple? Apple is in red in color. Okay. Next is white. This is white color. So show me your teeth, everyone. Yes, your teeth are in white in color. Next is purple. This is called purple color. Purple is in brinjal. Brinjal is in purple in color. Okay. Next is blue. Now, when you see up in the sky, which color do you see? It's a blue color sky, okay? Next is gray and then green. Now, green color you see everywhere because there are so many trees around you. And trees, leaves, plants, all these are in green in color. Next is pink. This one is girls' favorite. They have pink dolls, they have dollhouse, all in pink in color. Next is black. Black is your hair. Your hair are in black in color. And next is yellow. Yellow is banana. Do you eat banana? It's a yummy fruit and it is in yellow in color. Next is orange. Orange is orange. Orange is in orange in color. Okay. So, please learn all these colors. These are very basic and important colors for you. Now, next is paste the stickers of different colors to complete the color palette of Kiara. Now, she's a girl and her name is Kiara. Okay. And this is her color palette. Now, you will help her to fill this color palette. Okay. So, you will paste the stickers of this name. Like here, you will paste white sticker. Here, red sticker, blue, orange, yellow, pink, green, brown, purple and black. You will paste all these stickers here. Okay. You can take the help of your mama. Okay. Now, please learn all these colors. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Happy learning, everyone. Take care.